Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer and welcome to the Python series. And today the topic will be, let me just show you in the topics. We're gonna cover list in the Python. Let me just zoom in a bit. I will CLS for clear the terminal, and I will okay these steps you don't have to do it. I'm just doing it to set up terminals. You will just say python and start. So now your things start. Okay, we're gonna cover list. Let me create a new file to 3.py and just quickly create a list. And list is, I think you already get the idea from the word that what is a list. It is a collection of elements, right, in the simple term. So if I just want to create a list, I can do that by saying my list is equal to let's say grocery list, right? So I want some fruits, okay, and then I want some vegetables and rice. So these things I want from the grocery store, but I want to create a list of it now. Let's see if we get these thing in a list. I will just say python tut3 my file name .py. Nothing happens, but I can print it because I haven't printed. So why would it something happen here? Okay, so this is not looking good. Yeah, we want it in a string list format. What we have to do is use these square brackets around them, wrap it around square brackets, and use comma after every element. Okay. Now we will see it as a list. So it is a list which contains three elements. I can access these elements now with the help of indexing. Zeroth element, what is that? Fruits. Then 0, this is 1, this is 2. Let's see the 2 element. In actuality it is the third element, but in the index position these 0 1 2 are called index, is the second index. Yeah, rice. But I can also say that the quantity of fruits. So I want 2 fruits, I want 3 vegetables, I want let's say 5 kilo rice, 5 kilogram rice. Yeah, and if I just say 2 now, this will get printed. Let me just show you 3, because python list is a heterogeneous list which can store as many data types as it can. Yeah, so this is an integer, this is a string. If you are working in any other programming language, you will get an error. Why are you storing different type of data in the array or list? But python list is a referential array in the more complex term, but you can just store anything you want in that. So that's like a good thing. Now let's say I want to append something in it. So I will say my list dot append means adding an element. Append, then give the element name. I want now let's say Coca-Cola, yeah, from the uh, grocery store. Okay. Now if I just print the list, this Coca-Cola is added in the last. Yeah. There are many functions of list. You can just explore it on the web, but I just wanted to give you an idea. And If you are working on any custom project, you can just reach out to me on the WhatsApp or this mail, or you can just fill out this form. All of the links are in the description so that I can reach out to you within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. I'll meet you in the next video.